Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. How's everyone today? I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own glam Christmas wreath using Christmas ornaments. The wreath that I'll be making is silver toned, but you can choose whatever colors you prefer. To start, I will list out the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials are from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. We will need a large silver Christmas wreath form, some silver ribbon, and or some silver beaded necklace, and an assortment of large, medium, and small size Christmas ornaments. I'll be using some silver balls with a mirror-like finish, some balls with silver glitter, as well as some gray silver and blue ones with a variety of patterns and textures. I have also chosen a couple of pair of silver glitter bells. To light up the wreath, we will also need some battery-operated LED string lights. To help us with today's craft project, we will also need some E6000 available from your local hardware store, as well as our handy dandy glue gun. My glue gun was purchased from Amazon. To begin, unpack as many of the Christmas ornaments as you can in your work area. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you're visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once you have the ornament balls unpacked, start placing them around the wreath form to see what kind of pattern you prefer. For mine, I have started by placing the larger ornaments about 2 inches apart from each other. Try to alternate the different textures and designs as much as possible. Once you are happy with the basic layout, proceed to glue each of the large balls down. Next, I proceed to layer on the medium-sized balls in between the larger ones. Then I start placing the small balls where they can fit until the entire wreath form is covered. balls are placed securely onto the wreath form, place the Christmas bells individually spaced out around the wreath form, and after that, weave a silver ribbon all around the wreath. For mine, you'll see I have chosen a wider, crinkly silver ribbon. The final step is to weave a battery-operated LED string light all around the wreath. You may use either one set of string lights, or if you want more lights, you can string a second set as well. And in case you're interested to know which string lights I'm using, I ended up buying a pack of string lights from Amazon that worked out to be about $1 a piece, and each one comes with batteries. the final look for our glam Christmas wreath. Comment down below and let me know if you will be making your own Christmas wreath this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon. Thank you.